guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, if you have a Ford vehicle, okay, Ford Lincoln vehicle with a 3.5 engine or the 3.7, okay, stay with us guys. We will explain where your water pump is located and the procedure for replacing the water pump. Now that engine guys is used on Ford Edge, Ford Flex, Ford Taurus, Ford Fusion Sport. It's used on Lincoln NKS, NKX, okay, and also on Ford F-150, the twin turbo engine as well. This is guys the water pump right here. Now this water pump guys, I don't know who thought about that design, but it's ridiculous. Okay, and let me explain why now. Okay, let me just show you first what the engine looks like. Doesn't matter if it's on a Ford Edge or anything else, the procedure is about the same guys. And we have the whole procedure from start to finish. You'll be probably close to an hour and a half video how to do it. This one will be just explanation video to explain, okay, what needs to be done. Every vehicle we get guys, we'll make at least 200 videos, so please subscribe. This is the engine guys. This is the engine completely taken apart because of a water pump. Whoever thought about that water pump design, ridiculous. You can see that right here, that's timing cover. The timing cover needs to come out, but before you remove the timing cover you need to remove belts, you need to remove the harmonic balancer, okay, right here. You need to remove the fender liner so you can access all that stuff, okay. And before that you have to remove the upper intake, you have to remove, as you can see, the valve covers, all that stuff. That's where the timing cover is. And after that guys, once you do all that stuff, you have to remove the timing chain with all the components, not just timing chain tensioners. You have to remove the variable timing solenoid with the housing, okay, all that needs to come out. So unbelievable so far. And as a result guys, towards the end, okay, you have your water pump right between the V of the engine. And what's ridiculous that this water pump is timing chain driven, as you can see. So that pump is timing chain driven. Whoever thought about that design guys, terrible idea. So every time you replace that pump, you have to guys, okay, I would recommend to get new timing chains as well. Timing chains, timing tensioners. Why? Because that job, okay, will cost you thousands of dollars at least, okay, unless you do everything yourself. And that's why guys, we're doing those videos so we can save you so much money. We have a video for the timing, how to set the timing, how to install timing chains, how to install the water pump, what are the torque specs on the water pump, and all that stuff will be listed on the channel very soon. So please guys, check that thing out. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We'll try to make a video for your problem. Okay, we'll try our best to do that, and if we can answer your questions, one of our subscribers guys, one of you will help each other out most likely. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.